How to fix iOS stuck on update requested on your iPhone. First of all, make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi and keep your iPhone connected to the power. After that, head over to Settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and now you have to find iPhone update files and then select Delete Update. Restart your phone, and once it turns back on, go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, then download and install the update again. If it says update requested, check that you have enough storage available and try a different Wi-Fi network. You can even check Apple's system status page. When a new iPhone version is released, heavy demand or a temporary Apple services issue can delay update. And if the update won't start, you can connect your phone to a Mac or Windows PC, then update it using Finder or the Apple device app. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.